how to post on Bluesky. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post on Bluesky. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Launch the Bluesky app on your phone or visit bs.app on a browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Look for the plus icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to start creating a new post. Type your message in the text box. You can add hashtags, emojis, and mentions if needed. Tap the image icon to upload a photo from your device. Paste a link if you want to share a website. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap Post or Send to publish it. Your post will now appear on your feed. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.